So, piecing this together, put it all in the case. Wouldn't boot up. Didn't know what it was. Feared it was a DOA motherboard. Come to find out, once taking it out and setting it up this way, I forgot the exact term for it. It's bread something, bread boxing. I believe that's what it is. Come to find out, I had the connectors on the switch from the case to power on the power supply. I thought maybe it might have been the power supply itself, but I used this, just ordinary paper clip, and stuck it in the green wire on the 24-pin connector, and then the other one in the black, in the ground. And then hooked up a case fan to the connection here, and hooked that up to it, flipped the switch on, and the fan started turning. Both fans started turning, so I realized that more than likely was not the case fan. So I went back to the drawing board, and that's when I ended up finding out that I had the connections wrong. Completely retarded, stupid mistake. Wow. Anyway, so now that I know it all works, and that it's booting into BIOS, it's reading the RAM, it's reading the video card, it's reading the processor speed, everything's reading. So now it's time to put everything back in and start tweaking. Oh, what a long day. Over now.